Chef here, just working on a dessert. Thought I'd share this with you real quickly. So this is a custard, a basic cream pâtissier. I'm turning this into a dessert, and right now it's basically vanilla, and I'm adding some of this super rich dark cocoa powder to make it chocolate. Sift it through here, just like this. Parfait. Click that little like button there, and I'm going to show you some secrets how to make awesome desserts and parfaits. Follow along. Here we go. So I'm assembling a dessert. I thought I would share this with you. You can see what I'm up to here. This is a very, very strong espresso here. I've brewed about a cup of espresso, and I'm going to be adding some of this amazing, very expensive gold rum. Let's put about a tablespoon of rum in there, like this. Oh yeah. And to that, we're going to put just a sprinkling of sugar. Like this. Okay, we're going to mix this up, and this right here will be a super strong blast for the dessert I'm making. Okay, got here some ladyfingers. These come from Italy, and I'm going to put just a couple of ladyfingers in here. I'm going to be building up a layered dessert right here. In French, we call this a parfait. It's a parfait dessert. So I'm only going to be using 4 of these ladyfingers right here, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so to build the parfait, I'm going to be using some chocolate. Got this dark chocolate here. Oh yeah. So these chocolate bars, looking good. We'll put just a few of these in there. Okay, and then I'm going to be adding some of this awesome chocolate pudding. And if you really like chocolate pudding, well then make sure you check out the recipe on the channel here for chocolate pudding. So to build this parfait, I'm going to do it in layers. What I want to do is break the ladyfingers into smaller pieces, like this, and soak them. Okay. Now, they don't have to soak very long. Wow, they're already done. They go in the cup. Ladyfinger, ladyfinger, like this. And some of the chocolate pudding next, right here. Okay, just like that. And then the next thing I've got going on here is, we'll put a square of this chocolate. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this creme fraiche, a small layer of creme fraiche right here like this. I'm going to repeat with another ladyfinger, another ladyfinger. A little bit more of this chocolate pudding. Oh yeah. Repeat one more time. A little bit of creme fraiche on here. Oh yeah. And now I'm going to break one more ladyfinger, stick it in like this. Move this stuff out of the way here. I've got a grater, some chocolate. Grate some of this awesome dark chocolate right on top. And that's it. So a real quick video for you. We'll call this a French chocolate pudding parfait. And the recipe for the chocolate pudding, of course, is on the channel. Subscribe right down there. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Chocolate parfait. Ah, parfait. Looking really good. Yes. Chocolate. Layered cream fresh. Ladyfingers. Chocolate pudding.